least that ends that speculation. We've heard that for a long time. We've seen banners, we've seen posters, and finally, the governor of the Apex Bank of Nigeria has picked his form. And if you get up, you're in the house. If you can see it, the Apex Bank governor has picked up the form, 100 million naira.
Oh boy, we wait for that experience from central banking.
It's going to formally declare tomorrow.
Boy. We really wait for that.
I think it's getting very interesting.
This is one from our sector now.
Yes, it is. Let's see how it's going to shape the economy. Well, the market is now closing positive today. One way or the other, 0.17%. Top gainers, we have Coverton, Champion, Lenafrica, International Brewery, Cadbury. Top losers, Living Trust, Stanbic, Ikeja Hotel, Veritas Cap, Unity Bank.
Tolu, the market, you see the bulls are really running and driving stock prices wild for 5 weeks now, and the market today again positive 0.17%.
I see you excited.
You see so many big companies, the high cap, the heavy cap securities are the one playing. Talk about Transcorp, Zenith, Seplat, Nigerian Breweries, WAPCO, NGS Group, Oando, PZ, UBA, Union Bank. There are so many of them. All of them are coming, and then to upgrade and make investors, to really get the best out of their investment. So I see that investors must be delighted from what they have been getting from the markets in the last 4 or 5 weeks. And observing generally, I found out that since COVID-19,
yes,
business at the stock market has been reasonably, stable, and investors have been rewarded, greatly compared to what we used to know. The downturn has not really been so bad in the market. I can understand why that is that, because if you ask me why, I think that it is so difficult for people to do businesses in many other sectors across the economy. And so the stock market opens the window for wealth creation easily for those who know how to play the market. So if they have investable funds, they just put in all these big companies that already have efficient management, and then they just be monitoring how their money be growing. It's good. Look at the first quarter results that these companies brought to the market. So it acts as an incentive, and that's what is also driving funds managers' interest to pick many of the stocks that are really very cheap. So we see bulls driving share prices in positive directions, all through the way. If you ask for sustenance, that will it be sustainable in the coming week?
That was my next question. You get that already?
Yes. I see for the next 2-3 weeks, I think it will be, and then it will slow down. We are going to see, before the end of this May, we are going to know those who fly the tickets of the political
major parties.
Exactly. So when the heat really gets on, I'm sure it will also affect the market. So those who follow the market, they know how they will navigate it. In other words, you will not then expect too much profit, from the market, because even the players, the management of several companies, whatever affects them, they will slow down. You will have to watch the directions before you know what to, so that you don't burn your fingers.
Back to sitting on the fence and seeing what the administration is going to put on board.
Exactly. So we talk about cautious trading being key here.
Well, anyone that's going to get this, or for other parties, I think issues around the economy remain very important at this time, and we must be taken seriously.
No one can do anything serious without thinking of the economic climate. But the problem has always been implementation. That's what we thought. They will have to come up with their blueprints. So we have to look at them and then see who are that
we'll continue to do our job about them. Thank you so much, my colleague there, Fionga.